Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhonetopics.com. How's it going? Okay, do you know what? I bought an iPhone 12 Pro recently. Everything went fine with it. But suddenly, when my iPhone is in dark mode or whenever the screen is black while playing the video, my screen color is changing into grey and light green color. Same thing happens when I'm in the darkroom too. That really hurt my eyes. Do you feel the same? Let me give some simple solutions to sort out that issue. So, let's get into the video. The first one is turn off the color tint. So, tint is nothing but a variety of colors. When you turn off it, it will solve your OLED screen issue because many people reported it worked for them to solve the gray tint in iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. Now, let's see the procedure for it. Launch settings on your iPhone, then select the accessibility option. Now tap on display and text size and choose color filters. Next, toggle on the color tint, then adjust the hue option according to your need to reduce the ugly glow. After that, turn off the color tint by selecting any one of the filters. I'm selecting a red-green filter. This may help to solve your green and grey tint issue. Next, disable the true tone. Let me say what it is. It is a lighting feature which is present to adjust brightness and colors on your iPhone based on your surroundings. So, when you disable it, it will help to reduce your ugly glow on your iPhone. For that, launch settings on your iPhone and tap on display and brightness. Next, toggle off the true tone option if it is on. That's it. The third one is turn off the dark mode. The screen color problem happens when your iPhone is in dark mode, right? So when you turn it off, you can put an end to the problem. Open the settings app, tap on display and brightness. From the appearance, unselect the dark mode option. That's it. These are the simple solutions, but this might or might not work for you. The basic suggestion to all the problem in the iPhone is restarting it. So at last, you can restart your iPhone so that you might get your problem solved. And if you tried all the solutions and suggestions and fed up by the issue, there is no other go other than contacting Apple support and telling your queries. So guys, you can ask me if you have any doubts in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Ciao guys, keep supporting iPhonetopics.com.